Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. Viewers, exams don't test your limits. They reveal your preparation, your mindset and your belief in yourself. In this video, we are focusing on a powerful exam motivation speech for school English. Something that can energize students, boost confidence and set the right tone for the day. I will share a simple yet impactful speech that you can easily deliver on stage, along with ideas that help you speak with clarity, confidence, and purpose. This speech is designed to reduce exam stress, build focus, and inspire a positive mindset so that students walk into their exams feeling prepared and motivated. Whether you are a student selected for assembly or a teacher guiding students, this video will help you deliver a message that truly connects. Stay with me till the end and get ready to inspire your entire school. Let's begin. Good morning to our respected principals, sir, teachers and my friends. As exams are approaching, it is only usual that we feel a little nervous. However, today I would like to tell you that exams are not about how much fear we have. But about what we have prepared for and how confident we are about it. Exams are simply an opportunity to show that we have learned throughout the year. Success is not just about being intelligent. It is about being disciplined and hard work. Small daily habits, regular revisions, and time management will all pay off in the end. Rather than focusing on the outcome, let us focus on giving our best to each subject. Remember, hard work always pays off. Also, take care of yourselves during this time. healthy, sleep well, and avoid all unnecessary distractions. A positive and calm mind always beats a stressed out one. Believe in yourself and your capabilities. And of course, do not compare your progress with others. Each one of us is at a different level and has different strengths. Stay confident, stay focused, and give it your all. I am sure we will all come out with flying colors. Thank you all, and I wish you all the very best for your exams.